from your geography. And the topic is motions of the earth. There are the two types of the motions, rotation and revolution. Out of this, only one topic we are going to discuss in this session, and this is rotation. Rotation, its meaning is that when the earth moves around itself, around its own axis, that is called rotation, as displayed here on your screen. The motion of the earth. It takes one day for completing one round around itself, and because of that only, this is also known as daily motion. The earth spins on its own axis, and while it's spinning or orbiting around the sun, it is following an imaginary path. The motion which involves one complete spin on its own axis in 24 hours, and that is rotation. The circular motion of the earth on its tilted axis from west to east, that is called a rotation. Rotation is the movement of the earth on its own axis. It not moves around the other. It moves around itself, that is rotation. But when it moves around the sun, that time we are using a different term, and that is a revolution. The earth rotates on its own axis from west to east. The axis of the earth, it is an imaginary line which is passing through its center as shown in the image. Again, you can compare here how it is passing through its center axis. The axis of the earth, it is not a vertical, it is inclined at an angle of 66.5 degrees. You can see here plane of the earth's orbit, and it is known as the inclination of the earth's axis. Why? Because it is tilted, it is inclined. One more image which shows the inclination of the earth's axis. The effects of the earth's rotation. We can experience the movements of the moon and the other heavenly bodies from east to west because of the earth's rotation. We can feel. Because of the rotation, when the earth moves, that time earth is bulging at the equator and flattening at the poles. It causes the days and the nights. We can experience the days and the nights. Why? Because of the rotation only. If rotation will not be there, then definitely we will experience only the day, otherwise we will experience only the night. But because of the rotation, we are experiencing the variations, and that's all about the days and the nights. It gives the concept of the direction based on the sunrise and the sunset. The direction of the sunset and the sunrise are different, not the same. Why? Because of the rotation of the earth. It causes the deflection in the direction of winds and the ocean currents. The variations we can experience here in the direction of the winds and the ocean currents because of the rotation. It gives us a day of 24 hours. Why? Because for completing one round around its own axis, we require 24 hours. All are the effects of the earth rotation. Thank you so much.